Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to redeem a Twitch gift card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, redeeming a gift card is a straightforward way to add funds for subs, bits, or channel gifts. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First off, make sure you have a valid Twitch account. If you don't, head over to twitch.tv and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, open the Twitch website or app on your device. In 2025, Twitch has made this process even smoother with updated interfaces. Step 1. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will drop down a menu. Look for Dashboard, or directly search for Gift Card Redemption in the search bar. Twitch might have a dedicated page by then, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Step 2. Once you're on the redemption page, you'll see a field to enter your gift card code. This code is usually a combination of letters and numbers found on the back of your card. Double-check it for accuracy to avoid any errors. Nothing worse than a typo holding you back. Step 3. After entering the code, hit the Redeem button. Twitch will process it instantly, and you might be asked to verify your account or agree to terms. If everything goes smoothly, your balance will update right away, ready for you to use on your favorite streams. Now, a quick word on troubleshooting. If the code doesn't work, ensure it's not expired and that you're entering it correctly. Sometimes, browser issues can crop up, so try clearing your cache or using a different device. Twitch's support team is excellent. Check their help section for more details. And there you have it. Redeeming your Twitch gift card in 2025 is easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and gaming guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Catch you in the next one.